So the Canadian High Arctic Research Station is a leading-edge research facility in the north. Today's our big day. It's the grand opening of the campus.
It's a big day for Cambridge Bay and a big day for Canada.
Climate change is happening and it is affecting us here in the Arctic.
The Arctic in particular is experiencing a change in temperature, probably at least 2 to 3 times the rate of the rest of Canada. And Canada is changing at a rate faster than the rest of the world.
The campus can support a wide range of research needs, from ecosystem monitoring to DNA analysis. It can accommodate up to 44 visiting scientists and researchers from all around the globe.
I want to see this place help us change the way we create knowledge, how we do science. I want to see it being more collaborative, more interactive, including more ways of knowing.
What you hope for is an increase in broader collection of scientific information, and what we've learned is that you want to merge that with traditional knowledge.
I know that the space and the information we share will be valuable to our community, our territory, and across the globe.
It is a space for teaching, for training, and for community engagement. It is an opportunity for knowledge exchange, and it helps mark a new chapter in Canada's polar leadership of how we work together with people in this region and all across the Arctic.
My hope for this place is that we're able to really engage with the local kids, young Inuit children who are looking for a better future that they can take control of, and hoping to help them stay in school, stay inspired, and come here to be the next generation of scientists.